Introducing The Clones, Comeback Edition, starring the electrifying Luzviminda Piedad, better known as Shirley Bassey.
Sayang-saya po ako. Talagang salamat po sa inyo. Nabigyan niyo ako ng chance na may konting exposure po.
Makabalik ulit para sa grand concert.
Malay mo naman. Paano yung ending ulit?
Paano yung last post si Miss Luzviminda Piedad?
Oo.
Ala Shirley Bassey.
Tsaka yung gano'n niya mamaalan, gusto ko yung... Yeah!
Yun talaga eh.
That a single song could tell that I was lying. Yes, tonight I give the greatest performance of my life. I never lost control. I played a part so well that a single song could tell that I was lying. But love, if you had been behind the curtain, would have been with all the lies that I was all alone.
Alam mo, paborito ko talaga si Shirley Bassey. Kaya pag ako nagpe-perform, talagang belter ako pagdating sa show.
Nasa repertoire mo lagi yan.
Oo, mga repertoire ko, Shirley Bassey. Magaling kang kumanta. Maganda yung boses niya. Kasi si Shirley Bassey, pag kumanta, laging galit. Parang ganon.
Bakit nga po? Ba't galit?
Press! Ganon yun eh, di ba? Pero, you did it well. And congratulations. Kasi mahirap gayahin ng Shirley Bassey actually. Napakahirap ng yung voice quality.
Power.
Yung power. Nandun ka.
Tsaka ang isa sa pinakamahirap, yung tatlo kayo, pare-pareho kayo ng kulay ng show.
Nalilito na nga ako ngayon.
Paano na? Alam mo, kinikilabutan ako.
Sila yung the Red Army.
Paborito niya rin si Shirley, ganun din siya.
Oo nga, parang nag-usap kaming
Hindi kayo.
dalawa.
At sa inyo na tiyempo.
Kami tatlo. Diamonds are forever.
Power.
Diamonds are forever. They are only to please me. They can steal it to taste me. They won't live in the night. Have no fear that they might desert me. Diamonds are forever. I can see every cause. Nothing hides in the heart to hurt me.
Kamalan, pagkapong, nag-appear silang dalawa.
Ano masasabi mo, Miss Mel?
Wala, gusto niya sumayaw nga eh.
Gusto ko naman pumunta niya para sabayan siya.
Pwede naman, Miss Mel!
Bakit hindi?
Pwede naman!
Bira kasi ako makakarinig ng mga kumakanta ng song ni Shirley Bassey na talagang na-interpret ng mabuti. And you did it very well. Congratulations.
Yes!
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Imelda
Thank you,
Papi.
Miss Mel.
And thank you din, Luz Viminda, de Piedad, ang ating Shirley Bassey.
Thank you po! Thank you, it's This is the clothes! Sus, nakakapit bahay pa si Dodo! This is the clothes!